Hi everyone, this is Harshvardhan. Welcome to Algo Traders. I'm an amateur trader. I just began my journey in trading and started with open range breakout strategy scalping. This video is not about promoting any product or setup. This is purely educational video. Basically, I can start my learning or investment with a long term or a swing trading, but I felt being a beginner in the market and to learn quickly in and outs of the market, intraday is the best option. And to control my emotions and to be very quick in the action and to follow all the rules of the strategy, I preferred automating this trade setup. This is the first trade setup which I built for trading and will be monitoring it for this week, and also will be making improvements to this setup in the weekends. However, and whatever I am doing in this learning period is only paper trading, so that all the trades which I am taking in this session will be having only quantity as one. I am aware that in real time we are betting with bigger quantity, the big results will be varying for sure. But the setup is to understand the strategy and false breakouts and how to handle them. If you have any strategy and want to automate it, please contact me on Telegram using Telegram link provided in the description. I'm saying again, I'm not a trader and I am directly or indirectly not suggesting you to use any particular strategy to gain profits in the market. Any kind of trading involves risk. Please be cautious. So let's see what's happening in this today's session. See you in the end of the video.
After publishing two videos on how to algo trade, most of my viewers asked me how I shortlisted my stocks or scripts for that trading session. I felt like instead of showing you people how I shortlisted my stocks for that session, I'll show you how algo trading helped me in analyzing very huge data and shortlist stocks within very short period of time. Because each one has their own way of shortlisting the stocks, and moreover, my strategy to shortlist them is not very reliable. If you see this script, it helps me analyzing the data of NSE top 200 stocks and add them directly to my watch list. If you do it manually, it will at least take 1 hour to analyze the data and add them to watch list. But using Algo, it just took 1 minute for me to do this. This is the advantage of Algo trading.
To cut the duration of the video and make it short and simple, I am fast forwarding this video and will be holding whenever required. I see that these stocks got stuck for a long time and it is longer than expected time. I'll quickly check if they are already reached the target and we missed it, or they still pending in reaching them. If they already reached the target and we missed it, I shall exit them manually. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session.